In this demo, we use MCP tools from the VoipNow Provisioning MCP server to automatically create and configure a complete VoIP hierarchy, ending with a fully provisioned phone terminal extension. The process starts by creating a new service provider, assigning the default service provider charging plan with ID 1, and setting all permissions, limits, and expiration to unlimited. Next, a postpaid charging plan is created under this service provider, followed by the creation of a new organization that is assigned to a newly created charging plan. The organization's permissions, limits, and expiration are also configured as unlimited. Continuing down to hierarchy, a postpaid charging plan is created under the organization, after which a new user with a random name and email is provisioned and assigned this charging plan. The user permissions, limits, and expiration are again set to unlimited to ensure full access and flexibility. Finally, the system automatically creates a phone terminal extension for the user, generating a valid random extension number, assigning a label, and auto-generating a secure password. All dependencies and parent-child relationships are respected, and the entire workflow runs fully automated using only MCP tools with no manual input required. This demonstrates how MCP can reliably automate complex VoipNow provisioning workflows, from service provider creation all the way to a ready-to-use phone terminal extension.